Hi, my name is James. My wife and I live in Lino Lakes. The way we started working with Aquarius was 2 years ago when we moved to Lino. We had to have a soft water softener system installed. We're on a well, and the water quality was very poor. So we had Aquarius come in, put in a Kinetico water softener system, which we absolutely love. We have the reverse osmosis system as well for our drinking water. It's absolutely phenomenal. We recently had Aquarius come out just to do a quick service on our Kinetico system. We had to have some basement work done, so they had to reconnect our softener system. One of the things that I absolutely love about Aquarius is their flexibility in scheduling. I work as a career firefighter and paramedic, so I do not have a lot of time to be waiting around on service technicians all day long. So they give great appointment windows. They are very flexible on the days that they can come out and take care of you. So we can't say enough good things about Aquarius. Their technicians are great, very knowledgeable, very helpful, and we will always suggest them for any kind of home needs, whether it's plumbing, home maintenance, or appliances, maintenance, anything like that. Aquarius is awesome.